Bonjour à tous, hello everyone, and welcome to Apprenons Ensemble. French for beginners, conjugation, lesson 7. The IR verbs, present tense. Les verbes en IR, le présent de l'indicatif. There are three groups of verbs in French, which are determined by the endings of the verbs. But before classifying these verbs, we need to see their infinitive form, the non-conjugated form, from which we derive their conjugated form. The verbs in the infinitive form are called so because they are not bound by time. The infinitive form in English is preceded by the word to. Examples: to be, être, to have, avoir, to finish, finir, to obey, obéir, to act, agir. Structure of simple sentences. Structure de la phrase simple. So a simple sentence will be made of subjects, the verb or the action word, and an object, or also called a complement. So here we are here today to study the verb or the action word. So we conjugate the verbs in accordance with time, present, past, or future tense. Structure of the verb. Structure de verbe. All regular verbs can be divided into three groups based on the ending, the last two letters of the verb. Verb will be equal to roots, or also called fixed parts, plus ending. The first group consists of verbs ending in ER. Verb equal root plus ER. The second group consists of verbs ending in IR. Verb equal root plus IR. The regular third group consists of verbs ending in RE. Verb equal root plus RE. In the third group, I added regular because we also have the irregular verbs in the third group. But we'll talk about them in the future. Verbs are generally conjugated in 6 forms, according to the subjects. So I've made a video about the pronoun subjects. So we'll have all the different types of subjects, even it, all these ones. So please look on your top right corner of your screen if you want to watch the video. The singular one, you have je, which is I, tu, you, il, he, elle, she, nous, we, vous, you all. Il plural, you see here I'm not pronouncing S, I'm just saying il. They masculine plural. Elle plural, here again I'm not pronouncing S, elle. They feminine plural. Conjugation of IR verbs, present tense. Conjugaison des verbes en IR, présent de l'indicatif. Verbs equal root or fixed part plus IR. So you see that fixed part, we are going to return it for all subjects. So for je, it will be root plus IS, tu, root plus IS, il, root plus IT, elle, root plus IT, nous, root plus ISSONS, vous, root plus ISSEZ, il plural, root plus ISSENT, elle plural, root plus ISSEN. Let's conjugate the verb finir to finish in the simple present. Verb equal root plus IR. So finir will be equal root FIN plus IR. So I'm going to return that FIN for all subjects, and then will add the ending according to the specific subject. So for je finis. So you see here, I'm not reading S. Je finis, I finish. Tu finis, again, I'm not reading S. Tu finis, you finish. Il finit, I'm not reading the T. Il finit, he finishes. Elle finit, again, I'm not reading the T. Elle finit, she finishes. Nous finissons, I'm not reading the S. Nous finissons, we finish. Vous finissez, so EZ at the end will be pronounced A. Vous finissez, you finish or you all finish. Ils finissent, so here we have ENT at the end, but since it's a verb, we are going to pronounce ENT as simple E, French E. Ils finissent. They masculine plural finish, so they finish. Elles finissent, so again same logic with il plural. Elles finissent. They finish, feminine plural. Note, remark. First one, the conjugation in il singular and elle singular form and the one in il plural and en plural forms is always the same. So let's look at il and elle. So you see here, il conjugation and elle conjugation is the same. Okay, and let's look at the il and elle plural. Il plural conjugation and elle plural conjugation will also be the same. Second point, to memorize the conjugation of the verb, you only need to memorize the endings because the root of the verb remains the same for all subjects. Okay, so here we said we'll divide the verb into two parts, so the root and the ending. Okay, and that root, which is also called the fixed part, will be written for all subjects. Okay, so in another way, I don't need to memorize the root. I just need to remove the IR to get the root of the verb. Now, what do I need to remember is are the endings. I need to remember the endings. Okay, so please, you need to take some time and go through the endings. Okay. Third point, all the verbs belonging to the second group are all regular verbs, which means they all have the same conjugation pattern. Okay, so in the description of this video, I've written the most frequently used second group verbs. Okay, so they all have the same pattern. So what you have to do, you just need to remove the IR and then add the endings according to the subject. Okay, so please, you can practice with the verbs that you have in the description of the video. Fourth point, JE becomes J apostrophe in front of the verb starting with the vowel or the letter H. Okay, so here in the case here, we have JE and then after we have the consonant starting here. So it will stay JE. But in the case of the verb example obéir, here it will be O. So if I have JE and the next letter is a vowel, then that E will give the place to an apostrophe. Okay, and this is very important. Okay, so this is it for today's class. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video. Merci. Au revoir.